In the terminal, use the SSH command to connect to your server. Check the current status of SELinux. Next, we will check if we have SELinux utilities installed on our system. You can install it on your system by running the following command. Type yes and press. Work with SELinux contexts and policies. First, we can install the Apache web server. Type yes and press enter, which will install Apache. Start and enable the Apache HTTP server to ensure it starts on boot. Create two directories under the following server path for our test. Next, create an index.html in the server path. Press I to enter the edit mode of the editor. And here, you can paste the following content. We can see the context for the file. Now we can create our custom Apache config. Paste the directives for the config and replace the values for your case. Apply HTTPD sys content to context to our SELinux config. Next, we need to use the restorecon utility in order to change the label. We can now check the syntax for Apache and then restart the Apache service. Check if there is a present SELinux policy for port 80. Add an exception in our firewall daemon and reload the rules. We can test if our file is loading. Troubleshooting SELinux. We need to change the HTTPD file for the Apache web server and find the listen directive. Next, we also need to edit the config file that we created previously. Here, we will also add port 8585. We can check the Apache syntax to make sure we didn't make any errors. Now we can try to restart the Apache server. We will receive information that our Apache wasn't able to start while the syntax is correct. In order to troubleshoot this error, we will use SELinux audit utility. We can do so by running the following command and our custom port. Now we can try to restart our Apache. Next, we need to add this custom port to our firewall and reload all rules. We can test if our file is loading. in order to set SELinux in permissive mode. You can always revert to enforcing mode. Finally, you can completely disable SELinux. Here, you can replace the value to disabled. Reboot your system. The next time you check if SELinux is enabled using the sestatus command, you will see that it's disabled.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.